Hey guys, what's going on? Yes, this is another one of our properties we're bringing on right behind me. This is just an incredible home. We're gonna go take a look at the inside of it. But we walk directly in. We got hardwood floors, big open area. You got a fireplace. Yes, you can use the fireplaces if you want to. The thing I like about this property, guys, is it flows. It opens up, you know, just really well. Because when you're entertaining, let's face it, everybody wants to be here in the kitchen. Now this kitchen has spared no expense whatsoever. Now you're probably noticing something that's a little bit different. Oh yeah, refrigerator's over here, microwave here. I almost got her. She didn't want me to get her in the shot. Dishwasher next to our main sink. This thing is just beautiful, but you got a prep sink. And any cook knows this is your money maker because you don't have to deal with all that. You got your prep here, got gas here. Now this was a part of the property that was added on a number of years ago. We think it was a part of a porch. They closed it in. They just repainted everything. We got new carpet in the house. As you can tell, this right here is one of the two whole house fans in this entire home. So let's look at two of our rooms. These are one of our two bedrooms. We have our one bath here, very centrally located for everybody in the house. But we have one of our bedrooms here, faces the front, big window. Lots of area. These are the 2-inch plank floors that were originally put in this home instead of subfloor. This was our subfloor. Wish they still did that to us. Then we have our hall bath. And then we have a closet here for storage, closet here for storage, which we all know we can never have enough storage. This is our second bedroom. This has 2 windows versus 1. We're gonna go check out the garage that she converted into what she did with her master. But first off, check this out. Tankless water heater. This thing is a flash water heater. This thing is amazing. They completely redid this whole room. They put new setup for washer and dryer here. They put a new dog door in, but this leads out into the backyard. So you have 2 ways to get in the backyard. This is your converted, now your one of your master or a kid's room or whatever you want to do. But this is where the garage was. Now here's our backyard. Big backyard. Now I'm going to show you what's behind that over there, which I think is going to be something you're going to want to see. So we got sitting areas here, another sitting area there. Your kind of outdoor dining here. So here's the side yard. Now this side yard, I was looking at around out here. Now who can tell me what this is? That is a well that does produce water, so you can do as much as you want back here and not get penalized in case we have another low season. So let's take a look at our first grow house. Yes, why it's a grow house. So here's an outdoor, one of our first outdoor structures. Has light, has power. So this could be a home office. It could be storage. It could be really whatever you want. This is one of our 2 storage structures here. We have an additional refrigerator inside this property here. Of course, we have security lights as well. So lots of room. I got to show you guys this. I saw this and I had to wear this today since I was doing a video. My shirt. Oops, not the mic. So, I've got curb appeal. Thank you again, guys. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Hit me up if you've got any questions, thoughts, or theories. Talk to you guys soon.